Okay, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Okay, may I know your name?
Noraline, I'm Noraline Nilo.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
I am 30 years old. I finished my college degree, art and science major in English.
Mm-hmm.
I've been at Saudi Arabia for 3 years.
Yeah.
I have knowledge for everything in the house.
Okay, how many members in Saudi, in the Emperor's house?
They are 6 children and madam and sir.
6 children, right? Okay, how many housemaid in the house?
We are 5 Filipino and 1 Sri Lankan.
Okay, what is the main job in the house?
I think all of us, because we have a different job.
Yeah.
The other Filipino cooking, the other Filipino ironing, all of us.
Okay,
We have own responsibility.
Okay, what is your job?
For me, Madam gave me 2 boys,
Yeah.
entertain them, clothing, everything, teaching them studies.
Okay, how old are the 2 boys?
They are 15 and 13.
Okay, if there are 2 fighting in the house, what are you going to do?
They are fighting. I'm in the middle. I always told them, boys, please stop fighting. Madam, your mother always gets sick because you are always fighting. Then you talk slowly because you are brother, like that. I mean, each of them, I'm talking them slowly so that they can understand.
Okay, you need to send them go to school?
No, they have driver.
Oh, they are the driver.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means the daytime. Okay, when they go to school, what are you doing?
I am cleaning their room. I am preparing their clothes when they come from the school. I'm preparing their study lesson when they came from school. I always ask them what they do to school, especially in English also.
Okay, when you did something wrong in the house, the emperor angry with you. What you will do?
Pardon, sir. Sorry.
When you did something wrong in the house, the emperor angry with you.
I always say them if I do something wrong, I'm sorry. I'm not perfect. I'm just a human being. Sometimes sometimes I got wrong all the time. I mean, I'm sorry like that.
Okay, what time you wake up in the morning?
Pardon, sir.
What time you wake up in the morning?
I awake because the 2 boys. I have to awake them 5:30 early in the morning.
Yeah.
So 5:30 when they go to school 6:30 I go to bed after 1 hour and then I awake yes sir and I awake 7 o'clock for preparing their everything there.
That means every day is focused for the 2 boys, right?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now why to apply to Hong Kong?
Because I'm planning to go another place, especially Hong Kong, because I want to experience more. I mean more broader like that. Not only in Saudi.
Yes, right. You know how to cook, right?
Yes, I know how to cook.
About the marketing?
Yes, I go to marketing.
Okay. In case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom call your name and want you to go outside, what you will do?
If she will send me go outside,
Yeah.
First, before I go outside, I will ask first what should I do because I don't know the place, right?
Because I mean you are cooking.
Okay.
When you are cooking.
I will cook outside. I mean.
Oh, I mean when you are cooking in the kitchen.
So I need to buy.
Suddenly your mom call you outside.
Okay. I will make slow the one I cook, and then I run to mom, and I speak with her. Can you give me a minute because I have something cooked inside the kitchen. Maybe it will be burned after.
Yes, right.
Yes.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
Sir, mom, I can't promise, but I will do my duties and responsibility as one of the helper or one of the one of your family like that. I'm willing to learn everything. What do you want to do?
Mm-hmm.
If you have children, I help them everything inside and outside with the house. And I'll be more responsible and patient, and most of all, I'll be honest.
Okay.
That is the most important, honest.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.